What's going on here then, Tommy?
We're cleaning cars for our trip we're going to go on.
So are you raising money?
Yes.
And where's the trip going to go?
To a trampoline place.
Okay, so what are you doing today to raise money? You're cleaning the car?
Cleaning cars.
Tell me what you're actually doing then.
Cleaning cars to get money to go on our school trip.
So are you cleaning the outside and in? How are you doing that?
We're doing both. We're doing inside and outside.
And what are you using to clean the car?
Sponges.
So you're using the Hoover as well? I can hear the Hoover going.
Hoovers, sponges.
So Ryan, tell me what you're doing.
Washing the inside of the car, on the inside windows.
And do you like cleaning cars, or is it hard work?
I quite enjoy it, to be honest. I don't really mind it.
And this car is one of the dirtiest you've had to clean so far.
This is dirtier than Simon's dad's car.
And how long does it take you to do a car, and how many people clean it with you?
About 3 or 4, a couple more.
And how long does it take to clean the car?
About 15, 20 minutes.
And how much are you charging to clean the car?
£5.
Wow.
£5,
Okay.
yeah.
Don't let me stop you.
There's things growing in this car.
Am I live?
You're live. I bet that's really satisfying, isn't it, Ryan, when you see the glass?
Well, that's it, yeah.
Yeah.
Tim.